washed there. Omaida Kibe signing in. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my G's, from whatever time or place you are. Thank you for passing by my channel and see what we do. If you like it here, I hope you make yourself a permanent resident. And if you're a permanent resident, thank you for your support. Here we serve aesthetics and aesthetically, starting with the holes right there. Anyway, it's a Monday. Let me tell you what. I wanted to start a new routine of not starting with the phone, of not being on this phone. And let me tell you what, it worked. Because it's just at 1 something. I woke up, washed dishes, went to plant maize, but my phone failed me because I put it in the charger last night for today and it did not charge. So I didn't go with you, but I'm back and I'm trying to eat my breakfast at lunchtime. You understand me? So just a few arrowroots dunked in hot oil just for flavor. No, healthy and healthy way. Aesthetically and aesthetically. Anyway, see you as the week progresses and see what we do. Yeah. Did I tell you I redid my hair last week? I also made a moisturizer using aloe vera and I did not carry you along. Hope I change on that and show you that. But this is my hair. Always the same, just redid it. Yeah? Yeah. Nothing sweeter than this. Day 2, it's a Tuesday. Bright and early. The dishes are already washed. I've taken breakfast. It's time for the farm. Today we are on to potato business, adding soil for the second time to allow the tubers to grow and have space. That's the potatoes. See ya. Done with the farm. I've already chopped feeds for the cows, maize stalks. That's done. Now I am in the chicken house. This is not a coop. Sleeping place. Trying to remove the extra manure, dirt. Yeah, whatever. Birds. Really. are done with it. Yesterday we went halfway. Today we said complete and yeah. See you in another business of the day. It's 6 minutes before 12. That's before afternoon. We've been here since 9. You see that? This is the rest. We are planting oat for cows. That's how it looks like in between there. And then you cover it with soil. Yeah. Just a small bit left. The biggest part done. That's Thursday's business. Let me set you up to see what I'm doing. First clip that just passed was me washing my grandma's house that I did not show you, but you saw the washing basket. Now I am in this house number 2. I need to clean the floors. That's what I say, washing the house. Is the whole house washed, or do you clean the floors? You clean the floors. So I cleaned the floors in that house, tidied the chairs and whatever's, and wiped the tables. Now this one, this it's okay, just a little bit tidying up. Maybe I should swap on the tables, the coverings of the tables. There's a difference. That was the tables on top town. This one I'm just doing the coverings of the tables. If you know, you know. And then clean the floors, and then I'll be done. Mind you, the crowds waiting for me, soaked, and others in rooms that I need to extract, because the ones that are soaked are the whites. The whites are soaked, and then there are the clothes that I need to wash in a collective, in a nutshell. And then maybe that will be it for today. Hey, now wow. See y'all. That some githeri has to go up. Evening walks. Is this camaraderie? Let's check. This is the last day of filming, and of course the cows have to be gathering. Yeah, missed me. Here I am. Yesterday, all I did is onion farming, onion disintegration, onion replanting, and all that shaggy. Yeah, that's all I did. All I did yesterday was onions. I'll show you if they ever come out any good. The place is full now. Let's see if I ever get some sales from them, and not just having something to use on a normal basis, like a garden, farm garden, something like that. Yeah, today I just stayed. I'm coming for cows, and that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, my people. Subscribe. And you know what? Wamaitha Kibe is signing out. Mwah.